There's a Haitian proverb to describe their life called Moon Deye Moon, which means after mountain, more mountains, which really is descriptive of their lives. The daily struggle of Haitians to carve out in a country that has so much stacked against it. And so to celebrate our 20 years of providing sustainable hope with dignity, we have this initiative now because we need to help our partners move more mountains.
The Haitian T. Moon Foundation and those we serve need your help. Acclaimed by many as one of the most highly effective transformational grassroots movements in Haiti, we have reached a point where not only do we need to do more, we must do more. Your increased investment in our shared work can have an immediate impact in changing many more lives.
It was about 20 years ago when three of us went from Littleton, Colorado on an exploratory trip to Haiti because I wanted to show them what Harriet and I had experienced not long before that. And this group was so struck by what we found, the spirit of the Haitian people. And it was on the airplane from Miami to Port-au-Prince that the three of us who had gone there the first time on a barf bag on an airplane wrote down a vision and mission for what this foundation that we had in mind would be. And those principles have pretty much remained the same, providing sustainable hope with dignity so that all might have life. And we wanted to be different. We wanted to capture their gifts. We did not want to have a top-down, imperialistic approach. And so we are very proud of what we've been able to do, not because we're great, but because the Haitians with whom we work are simply amazing. And that was 20 years ago. So since that day, we've multiplied. We have 15 covenant communities all around the United States, as well as 600 individual donors, and we're looking to expand that.
When we think about Haiti, there's no doubt that there are mountains, there are challenges, there are real issues that our partners face every single day. And at times it can feel overwhelming and we wonder, well, where do we begin? But we're reminded that together, holding on to this vision that all might have life, we trust that nothing is impossible. We are called to partner together, to be united around this vision and to believe in our partners. And to support them, that we might help them move mountains, help change the landscape so that new children that are being born in Haiti this very day might live into a new and radiant future. And that's a future that I know you want to be a part of. It's a future that I want to be a part of. And so I invite you to join us in supporting the work of the Haitian T. Moon Foundation.
We are an international community of people and covenant communities who are committed to helping Haitians lead a life of dignity with hope and sustainability. We have Haitian leaders who serve on our leadership teams. Many of us have traveled to Haiti to experience firsthand the life that Haitians are leading. Others of us have never traveled to Haiti, but are still motivated to make a difference through the work of HTF with our partners in Haiti. We work in areas to lift up families from devastating poverty. We equip children from some of the poorest areas in Haiti with a solid education. We provide opportunities for incredibly bright Haitian high schoolers to receive a university education and leadership training. We support loving homes that give street children and disabled children a life of dignity and second chances. Over the last 20 years, we've seen a tremendous impact from your dedicated support, and we have a proven track record of engagement. We were in position to help those suffering from the earthquake in 2010 and from Hurricane Matthew in 2016. Lives were saved from the rubble and the rain because of your faithful support over the years.
Why do we persist and insist with the Haitian T. Moon Foundation? We could talk about education and all the details and poverty eradication and clean water and all of these things that we have our fingers into. But what we really do is we facilitate the freedom that people experience from the shackles of this devastating poverty.
Our Haitian partners face mountains every day that they must overcome. Access to clean water and safe shelter, lack of availability of quality education, access to health care, reversing the brain drain where 85% of educated Haitians leave the country after they complete their university educations, and breaking the devastating cycle of poverty for children and families so that they can have hope for the future.
We can count HCF as one of the longest supporters of help. You can imagine since 2002 how many generations of students HCF support, and now we have students working everywhere in Haiti, and we have students pursuing like a master and doctorate and coming back to Haiti once they are finished, I think, which means a lot for us.
When they are freed from poverty, they now have a voice. They have a voice over their own future. They have a voice about things that matter to them. They're able to participate in society. They have impact, not only on their own lives, but on the lives of those closest to them and in their community. And they are participants in changing Haiti and in changing the world.
There's a Haitian proverb that's little by little the bird builds the nest. And really that's how HCF has built its base of support over the years. There is not one large institutional donor that's providing a grant for us to do our work. We are a collective of many individual donors from around the country and really around the world now who provide the support that enables us to help our Haitian partners do their work.
They are looking at the long-term commitment, and HCF actions in Haiti are, I can say, a model that other NGOs should follow, because they are the actions of HCF are community driving. So they are not coming in the community to do the things for the community members. They are empowering the community members to lead the change they want to see.
We really are moving mountains, and part of that is one of the guiding principles. We will never, ever, ever make a promise that we won't keep. So we're very careful about the promises that we make.
To commemorate our 20 years of impact and partnership in Haiti, we are launching our Moving Mountains initiative, and we ask for your increased support. Through the Haitian Education and Leadership Program, we admit students who are exceptional in both their academic success and in their dehumanizing poverty. We transform them into extraordinary, university-educated leaders who stay in Haiti and change Haiti. Because of current funding levels, only 5% of qualified students can be admitted. 95% are left behind. Our success with Moving Mountains will change that. We were the first to believe in an initiative that eradicates extreme poverty among women and their children. Yet, as well as we and our partners are doing, many die before they can be enrolled in the program. We must accelerate the rate in which we reach these families. Our success with Moving Mountains will change that. We have had remarkable success in a country that can be cruel to initiatives that seek to change lives. Our team of people are second to none, but they need to be equipped to do more. Our success with Moving Mountains will do that.
Our Moving Mountains initiative will position us to make a greater impact in the lives of Haitians. But we cannot do this alone. We need your support, and we need your financial commitment so that we can move mountains together.
Without your partnership, we will not be able to do what we do. We will not be able to make the impact that we are making in so many lives in Haiti.
Join us in helping to move these mountains, to supporting our partners so that we can create a new and radiant vision for the men, women, and children of Haiti.
Help us unleash more and more people so that all might have life.
So thank you very much. We will ask you to continue supporting the mission of the Haitian Timon Foundation so we can continue moving mountains.